Alright guys, I wanted to put together this video for you just to kind of reiterate or go over again how you should be working on and turning in your IXL assignments. We're down to our last few weeks here of online learning. We want to make sure you're getting them turned in correctly and on time, because I think there's a few of us out there that still need some help in terms of trying to figure out how to turn these in. So this video is just meant to kind of show you that in a few different steps. Okay, so the first thing is obviously you want to make sure you finish your assignment like we've got here, your 8th grade F8 multiplication with exponents. Remember, your assignments need to be 6th grade or higher, okay? So make sure you're doing that. This is 8th grade, and this is multiplication with exponents. I've answered 14 questions in a little over 2 minutes here. Got my score of 81, which meets the requirements. It's got to be a 6th grade assignment or above. It needs to be more, 80 or more in terms of your SMART score. You can go a little bit further than that if you want to, but 80 is the requirement that is needed. Once you've done that, you need to make sure you're doing a screenshot. Okay, so these 3 buttons here, Control Shift and the screen share button, those 3 are what you need in order to make a screenshot, and you can get a full screenshot that way. The biggest thing here again is just reminding you to make sure that you're getting the assignment name and the SMART score in there. That way I can see both the assignment name and the SMART score by using these 3 buttons, Control Shift and the screen share button all at once. So once I have my assignment done, my screenshot ready to go, remember we're going to go to our e-learning folder, okay, figure out which week it is. This week is the 5th to the 8th, and we're going to go in there. We've got some extra things here, but the assignment is really the topic that we're looking for here. And so each link, right, assignment 1, assignment 2, each one's got its own link here to go through and put your screenshot in. So you'll click on assignment number 1 for your topic, and then this is where you're going to submit your assignment. From here you've got a couple different options, right, with your screenshot. Copy and paste it in there if it'll let you, right, or you can use that screenshot based on what you've saved in terms of the entire screen with the assignment name and so. So remember, I got 2 different options. I can do upload, and I can do a file from here and then find that assignment. So if I look at it, IXL assignment number 1, I could upload it that way. That would be one way to do it. Another way I could also do the same thing is I can go to this Create tab and do the Insert Content and do Image or Media, and that's also another way to attach the file of the same screenshot. The IXL assignment 1, that goes in there. Okay, this would probably be the easiest way to do it, because that would make sure that it gives you the full thing there. So you see my screenshot, I've got my name, I've got my SMART score of 81, and it also says the assignment name, 8th grade F8 multiplication with exponents. You then click submit and you'll be good to go. Again, remember these specifics. You've got 2 separate links here, right, for the week, and it goes through, and you can do assignment 1, screenshot, turn it in, make sure it's 6th grade or above, make sure your SMART score of 80, okay, and then do the same thing for assignment 2. The biggest thing is making sure that you do submit a screenshot for each one. If you have any other questions other than that, please let me know, but this was just a real quick kind of reminder of how you turn those in on IXL.